I'm Brittany Spieker, and a food, nutrition, and health extension educator in Antelope County. Today you're going to learn how to make banana bread in a multi-cooker. First things first, we want to make sure that we read through our recipe to know what our roadmap's going to look like. So take a few moments and read through our banana bread recipe. It'll be seen on the screen. As you can see, our first instruction is to wash our hands with soap and warm water. So once you do that, you can go ahead and start collecting your ingredients. Now that we have collected our ingredients, we can start creating our batter. Okay, so we're at the part where we can start putting our batter into our pan. So today I am actually going to use a mini bundt pan in my multi-cooker. You can also use a mini loaf pan and put two of those in there and stack them on top of each other. So one mini loaf pan would go on the bottom, and then the second mini loaf pan would go crisscross on top of it inside the multi-cooker. But for purposes of today, I am actually going to use the mini bundt pan. Bon appetit!